So I'm about to return to work on a second series of The Fixer, and I suppose my main worries going back to work after having a baby are, am I going to be as confident an actress, a human being, as I was before I had the baby? In my profession, especially in the current climate, I think it's very important to look good because there are so many new faces around now and so few jobs, and I think the jobs are getting fewer and there's more and more people coming into the industry. Everything you see when somebody first walks into the room, your initial first impression is really important, and then hopefully your talent will prevail afterwards. The main way I think to feel confident again is to look at your first impressions and your appearance, and that's hair, teeth, skin, body, and I think a lot of my confidence comes from within, which makes me want to smile. So I think teeth are really, really important. My oral care is very important to going back to work. I think people get really affected by bad teeth, bad breath, mainly because if you don't feel good about what your teeth look like, then you're less likely to smile, less likely to look confident and to converse confidently. And I think especially for me, for instance on set, if I am working very closely with someone, I can't have bad breath. I used to be quite obsessed with going to the dentist and having my teeth cleaned by a hygienist, just so they felt squeaky clean. Over 75% of dentists advise people to change onto a power brush, so I think it's the thing to do.
I'm Dr. Uchenna Okoye. Good oral care is like a fitness plan, and these are my top tips for keeping healthy teeth for life. Firstly, I recommend that you brush your teeth twice a day for a minimum of 2 minutes using a fluoride toothpaste. One of the most important things is to invest in a quality power brush. The one that I recommend is the Oral-B power brush because it's fantastic. Change the brush head every 3 months. That's really important because with time and with use, the heads become less effective. Your gums form the whole foundation of your mouth, and if they're not healthy, then your teeth aren't going to be either. Make sure that you actually don't just brush the teeth, but also the area around the gums, because bacteria tend to lie in that junction between tooth and gum. Floss, floss, floss. A lot of my patients call it the F word. Nobody likes doing it, but it's so important in maintaining the health of your teeth and gums. Another tip is to reduce the frequency of sugar. Basically, bacteria feed on the sugary stuff and they release toxins that destroy the gums in your teeth. So a small tip is, after you've eaten anything sweet or sugary, chew on some sugar-free gum. That helps neutralize the effect of the acid attack and helps protect your teeth and your gums. One of my major tips is to quit smoking. We all know the effect that smoking has on the rest of the body, but it also really affects the mouth, especially by causing gum disease.